Morning guys, happy Sunday. I hope you all had a good week and a nice Saturday. We're due for a lot of snow over the next few days and gale force winds. I'll try and get out and film some of the sea because it is proper choppy today. Apart from that, not sure of the plans. Started a little bit of a diet last Wednesday. I want to try and shift the extra Christmas weight I put on. Weighed myself the other day. I gained about 8 pounds, so I'll try and shift some of that, so come along. Here's the best boy, relaxing on the sofa. You're in the best place today, my angel. I'm actually really pleased. My sister had her call up for her vaccine, so she's getting her first jab next week. My oldest niece has now had hers also. I'll just be glad when Mum gets hers, but I can't see that being for at least another month. And for my age bracket, I can't see it being much before August, but at least there's more and more people being done now, so that's another chance of a little bit of normality returning to all our lives sooner than later. We had the new freezer delivered the other day. Don't know if anybody's seen my fridge magnets. Just give you a quick glance, different places we've been, and nice ones people have picked us up whilst on their travels. Tonight I fancy some meatballs in Moroccan sauce. This is the Moroccan sauce I have from the meatballs. You can get it from Morrison's. It's absolutely delicious. It's not spicy at all, it's actually quite sweet. It's really, really nice. Give it a go. I'm now going to walk down the seafront and see if we can capture some of these big old waves. It is proper blowing a gale. I don't even know if you can hear me. The sea is really, really rough. I'm going to try and get a bit closer to the sea. I don't know what's going to happen because it's proper windy, so I'll see what I can do. I don't think I have to worry about social distance today. There's literally nobody about. I was actually hoping it was going to be high tide, but I got the old times wrong, didn't I? Here where all the boulders and that get chucked up over the break when it's high tide. Wow, that was intense. My eyes were streaming, my nose was running, strong look you can imagine. The only shame was it wasn't actually high tide. It's always quite cool to get it when it's high tide because you can see the waves crashing over the promenade. I did check the chart this morning and the time I went down there should have been spot on, but there you go, these things happen. Mum's just sorting me a bag out. She wants me to just nip to the shops and get some essential food bits. Well, I'm now at Morrison's. Hopefully it won't be too busy. Oh, they've got all their Valentine's bits out. Just picked some of these up. They are absolutely delicious. Now, cereal, which one? I do love crunchy nut cornflakes. Here we go! Mum wants a galaxy cake. Like that. Well, we only picked up a few bits. The main essential bits was the milk and cat litter. But we got, well, Mum wanted to pick up a Galaxy cake, so I'll probably have a slice of that on me cheat day. And then obviously these, which I showed inside, some beetroot, tuna, some cereal, juice, just a couple of little bits. Right, for lunch today, keeping on the old health kick, I'm going to have one of these slimmer soups. Only 50 calories. Well, this is going to be a gut buster. Actually smells alright, to be fair. That's my boy. Watch a bit of telly now, shall we? Well, first little watch of the day. A bit of Place in the Sun. Classic viewing. Well, I just weighed myself, and after 1 week of this little diet, I've actually lost 5 pounds, so I'm pretty chuffed with that. Basically, all I've been doing is portion control, not snacking between meals, because I'm terrible for that, and obviously doing a couple of decent walks each week. So ideally, like I say, I'd like to lose about £8, but if I can lose a stone, I'll be well chuffed. Next up, a bit of Action Bronson. See what he's going to be snacking on today. Right guys, I'm going to finish watching the basketball and then I'm going to cook my meatballs. So that is going to be it for today's vlog. Cheers for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!